हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे इम्पोर्टेंट करेंट अफेयर्स 2021। फ्रेंड्स, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल फॉर ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ इंग्लिश जनरल नॉलेज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ऑन व्हिच डे DRDO डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी, DRDO डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 1st January. Question number 2. Who has been nominated as the board member of the Global Alliance for Vaccine and Immunization? Right answer option C, Dr. Harshvardhan. Question number 3. Who is the author of the book A Short Memoir of Life with Ratan Tata? Right answer option B, Santanu Naidu. Question number 4. Who will be honored with Humanitarian Award 2020 at Norway Bollywood Film Festival? Right answer option A, Sonu Sood. Question number 5. Who has been appointed new Chief of Central Industrial Security Force CISF? Right answer option C, Subodh Kumar Jaiswal, new Chief of CISF. Question number 6. Who has been appointed new Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh High Court? Right answer option B, A.K. Goswami, new Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh High Court. Question number 7. Who has been appointed new Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court? Right answer option A, J.K. Maheshwari, new Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court. Question number 8. Who has been appointed new Chief Justice of the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court? Right answer option C, Pankaj Mittal, new Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court. Question number 9. 3-day International Odissi Dance Festival 2020 held in which place of Odisha? Right answer option D, 3-day International Odissi Dance Festival 2020 held in Bhubaneswar and it's organized by Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra. Question number 10. Who has been appointed new Chief Justice of Telangana High Court? Right answer option B, Hima Kohli. Question number 11. Who has been appointed new Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court? Right answer option D, Muhammad Rafiq. Question number 12. Who has been appointed new Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court? Right answer option C, R.S. Chauhan. Question number 13. Who has been appointed new Chairman and CEO of Railway Board? Right answer option A, Sunit Sharma, new Chairman of Railway Board. Question number 14. Who has been honored with the Eminent Engineer Award for the year 2020? Right answer option B, V.K. Yadav. Question number 15. Which country has announced to develop the world's first satellite made of wood by 2023? Right answer option B, Japan. Question number 16. Who has won Mother Teresa Memorial Award for Social Justice? Right answer option C, Pradeep Kumar. Question number 17. Who has been appointed new Special Secretary to Odisha Chief Minister? Right answer option A, Bhinel Krishna. Question number 18. Who has been appointed Managing Director of Odisha Mining Corporation Limited? Right answer option B, Balwant Singh. Question number 19. Which country to ban eating and drinking on domestic flights due to COVID-19? Right answer option C, Thailand. Question number 20. Which government recently announced certain changes to its national anthems? Right answer option A, Australian government. Question number 21. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stones lighthouse project in dash states. Right answer option C, 6 states. Question number 22. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Election Commissioner in the ECI? Right answer option C, K.S. Krishna has been appointed as the Deputy Election Commissioner in the ECI. Question number 23. What is the rank of Virat Kohli, the ICC Test ranking for batting? Right answer option B, second rank. Question number 24. India's first test bed, Tihan, launched in which place? Right answer option B, IIT Hyderabad. Tihan stands for Technology Innovation Hub Autonomous Navigation System. Question number 25. United States of America plans to build the first nuclear reactor on the moon by the end of dash. Right answer option D, 2026. Question number 26. Who has been appointed India's vice captain for last 2 tests against Australia? Right answer option A, Rohit Sharma. Question number 27. Which bank has launched a digital payment index, DPI? Right answer option C, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 28. Who has been appointed Chief Justice of Odisha High Court? Right answer option C, Dr. S. Muralidhar. Question number 29. On which day World Braille Day is observed? Right answer option D, 4th January. Question number 30. Which states has introduced a campaign called Ek Jila Ek Silp? Right answer option B, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 31. Which country has announced to restrict the promotion of unhealthy food from 2022? Right answer option A, UK. Question number 32. Which among the following organization is developing green population technology? Right answer option D, ISRO. Question number 33. Which has become the first two-wheeler company globally to cross a market capitalization of Rs 1 lakh crore? Right answer option B, Bajaj Auto. Question number 34. Who is the world's richest person according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index Report 2021? Right answer option C, Jeff Bezos. Question number 35. Recently Chief of Army Staff General M.M. Narawane has received a Guard of Honor recently from the Army from which country? Right answer option A, South Korea. Question number 36. John Fulton passed away recently was associated with which sports? Right answer option B, cricket. He was associated with cricket. Question number 37. Which of the following country has recently abolished the death penalty? Right answer option D, Kazakhstan. Question number 38. Which state has been launched the Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana? Right answer option B. Jharkhand state launched Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana. Question number 39. Which country has announced to develop the world's first ever wooden satellite by 2023? Right answer option C. Japan. Question number 40. The inaugural issue National Policy K9 General was launched by which of the following Union Minister? Right answer option C. Amit Shah. Question number 41. Former Union Ministers and senior Rajasthan Congress leader who has passed away? Right answer option A. Butta Singh. Question number 42. Which is the base period taken by RBI for digital payment index? Right answer option C. March 2018. Question number 43. The Union Cabinet has approved a memorandum of understanding between India and which country on cooperation in the peaceful uses of outer space? Right answer option B. Bhutan. Question number 44. On which day Savitribai Phule birth anniversary is observed? Right answer option C. 3rd January. Question number 45. Which country has recently allowed people to fly small drones at night? Right answer option B. United States. Question number 46. India and which bank signed to $100 million loan upgrade power distribution system in Bengaluru? Right answer option B. Asian Development Bank. Question number 47. Which country launched the 40th scientific expedition to Antarctica? Right answer option A. India. Question number 48. Former Maharashtra cabinet minister who has passed away recently? Right answer option C. Vilas Patil passed away recently. Question number 49. Who has been appointed analytical coach of Indian men's hockey team? Right answer option D. George Clark. Question number 50. What is the ranks of Mukesh Ambani, the Bloomberg Billionaires Index 2021? Right answer option C. 12th rank. Question number 51. Who is the first person to reach 250 million followers on Instagram? Right answer option B. C. Ronald is the first person to reach 250 million followers on Instagram. Question number 52. Former Director General of Central Reserve Police Force who passed away recently? Right answer option A. Padmakar Ganpat. Question number 53. First ginger processing plant of Northeast has been built in which state? Right answer option C. Meghalaya. Question number 54. Who inaugurated the Kochi-Mangaluru pipeline gas? Right answer option C. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Question number 55. Who has been appointed the first Deputy General of All India Football Federation AIFF? Right answer option C. Abhishek Yadav. Question number 56. Who has elected President of the All India Chess Federation AICF? Right answer option D. Sanjay Kapoor. Question number 57. Which state's chief minister launched M-Pension Manipur? Right answer option B. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. Question number 58. Which bank launched a video KYC account opening facility to open saving account? Right answer option A, IDBI Bank. Question number 59. Which states has declared bird flu as state disaster? Right answer option B, Kerala state. Question number 60. Which state government has decided to give a cash award 2.5 lakh to a normal person for marrying a person with disability? Right answer option A, Odisha government. Question number 61. According to the reports by UNICEF, which country is at number 1 position in terms of babies birth on 1st January 2021? Right answer option C, India. Total births 59,995 babies. Question number 62. Which country has recently created a history by making train hospital? Right answer option D, India recently created a history by making train hospital. Question number 63. Who has been named the new Deputy Chief of Army Staff? Right answer option D, Santanu Dayal. Question number 64. Which payment gateway has been imposed a rupees 96 lakhs penalty by the Financial Intelligence Unit for violating anti-money laundering law? Right answer option C, PayPal. Question number 65. Which state will organize the 4th Global Ayurveda Festival 2021? Right answer option C, Kerala. Question number 66. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stones of the National Environmental Standards Laboratory in which city? Right answer option B, New Delhi. Question number 67. The second edition of the Khelo India Winter Games will be held from February 11, 2021 in which city? Right answer option B, Gulmarg. Question number 68. Which has become the recent country to legalize abortion? Right answer option C, Argentina. Question number 69. Which company has announced the launch of its new insight tools for the travel industry in India? Right answer option B, Google. Question number 70. Who has been re-elected as United States House Speaker after winning 216 votes? Right answer option D, Nancy Pelosi.